Right, so today we've come along the coast a little bit towards Cartagena direction down the M332, and we're stopping in Mil Palmeras, which is, I think, stands for like millions of palms. So we're just going to go have a wander around, see what we can find, and get some lunch, because there's a lovely little high street here that there was loads of nice little restaurants on, so we're going to go in there and see if we can find somewhere to get something to eat. So if you see anywhere you fancy, guys, just shout and we'll stop. A couple of places shut up though. Can't believe how much of this is all closed up. It really is quiet down here. Right, so we're in this place because it's got a really good 3-course menu for 12 quid. So there's 8 different starters, So let's get to the starters. 8 different starters, 10 different mains, and then it comes with bread, a dessert or coffee, but it doesn't include the drinks for €12. So you've got to get your drinks separately, which is not a problem because the meal's so cheap in the first place. Right, so we've all kind of gone for different things, but starters, we've all gone for the, well, 3 of us have gone for the soup meatball. Sarah got the lady to reel off everything that was in the salad. That took her about 5 minutes because we don't understand it properly and stuff like that, and then promptly ordered the spaghetti bolognese for starter instead. So then for mains, I've gone for the pork. Holly's gone for, which is cheeks in sauce, which would be like the pig cheeks in sauce. You went with the half chicken, and what did you go with? And Sarah's gone for the half roast chicken as well. So we'll show you what it's like when they come out. I'm sure it'll be good. We've looked at some of the stuff coming out here, and it does look really nice, the food. So if it's as good as it looks for €12, it's, you know, it can't be bad. So that's the meatball starter. We've all got the same. And Sarah's starter's just come out, so she's ordered the spaghetti bolognese. I think it's more like a main. That is just the starter. So all of it smells absolutely amazing. It smells gorgeous. So I'm sure, hopefully it'll taste as good as it smells. So now they've just brought out bread as well to go with it all. So, and there's a lot of happy noises around the table. So we're assuming that people are enjoying the food. So the soup is amazing. You won't actually be able to see it. But it's got like chicken and everything in it, as well as a huge, great meatball. Tastes so good. It's like a really clear soup, more like a broth almost. But the flavour is absolutely amazing. It really is good. So that was the starter, which is absolutely huge. Honestly, it's amazingly good as well. The food was out of this world. Sorry, that was them just clearing the plate. So I think they're trying to get through quickly so they can get more people in. But honestly, the starter, it doesn't look anything special, the soup, because it looks like really clear, but the flavour behind it is absolutely amazing. There's so many different layers of flavour in it. It's absolutely beautiful. Definitely worth trying. Right, so the mains have come out. So that's my pork. So it's a couple of pork steaks, chips. It's got a salad. Sarah and Jack have gone for the half roast chicken, which looks absolutely amazing, to be fair. So it's we're just waiting for Holly's to come out. Jack's obviously got the same because Jack went for the chicken as well. So that's Holly's cheek in sauce. It looks like it's in some sort of tomato sauce. It smells absolutely fantastic. It really does smell beautiful. So to be fair, all of the food, given that it's all like €12 for what you're getting, is all yeah, pretty good. So we just finished our mains. I don't know if you guys can hear me properly because it is quite noisy in here from people making happy noises because the food's all so amazing. But like, we just finished the mains. Value for money, €12 for what you get in here. The quality is absolutely fantastic. Just watching Sarah's roast chicken and the meat's just like literally falling off the bone. Holly's pig cheek, something else. I'm not entirely convinced. I think there's probably more shoulder than the pig cheek, but whatever it is, it smelled nice. It looks absolutely amazing as well. So, and no one's complaining about anything, so it can only be good. So the only complaints from people now is they're realising that we're out for like lunch, having 3 courses, and we're supposed to be going for an Indian later on, and whether or not we're actually going to be able to manage an Indian later on because we've been fat gits at lunchtime and eaten too much. So, but if you are in Mil Palmeras, Loc Celtas is definitely worth coming to try for their set lunches. So, and they do a special one as well. They do a special set lunch for 2 people as well. So, yeah, get yourself down there, give it a try, guys. Right, so this is the menu for the desserts, which is actually really good. Or you can have coffee instead. So they've either got like cheesecakes, grandma cake, egg cream caramel, baked apple, rice pudding, ice cream, melon. So again, you know, the quality, or sorry, the actual offering for desserts is really good. Some places just like you get a bit of cake or something like that, but this one you can pick what you like, and there is quite a lot on there as well. So right, so we've just ordered all our puddings, and we've all ordered something completely different. So I've gone for the rice pudding, Sarah's gone for the melon, Jack's gone for cheesecake, no surprise there because he is Mr. Cheesecake, and Holly's last minute changed her mind through what we've googled what grandma cake is, so hopefully it's going to be as good as what the pictures show on the internet. If not, yeah, she'll be sharing cheesecake with Jack, who's not going to be happy about it. So right, so the puddings have come out. That's the cheesecake that I've gone for. Show you Sarah's lemon.
It's not lemon, it's melon.
Melon, sorry. Melon, you melon. Come on, move your hands. I think Jack's got the cheesecake, the world's smallest portion for Jack. And that's the grandma cake, which does look incredibly good, to be fair. So yeah, we'll get stuck in and we'll let you know what they're like. So we're all trying them. Absolutely amazing. It really is good. Cold. It's cold and it's got like loads of cinnamon on top of it. It's all really, really nice. So 100% recommend coming here if you want some food. It really is good food here. When you bear in mind it's like 12 euros, so back home that's just over like 10 quid for a 3-course meal. That is amazing. So we had starters, and the starters were decent sized starters. Sarah's spaghetti bolognese was massive.
I didn't eat it all though.
She didn't eat it all because she knew she was going to be struggling. So then she had the half roast chicken. So we all had the soups with the meatball. I had the pork. Holly had the pork cheeks. Jack and Sarah had half roast chicken each. So and they had just the puddings. Absolutely fantastic value. And we had bread as well. They always give you bread to go with it as well. So for just over 10 quid, 12 euros, it's absolutely amazing value for money.
Melon tree.
The other thing to say as well is that the service in here is fantastic. There's no waiting for anything. The food is like out the door, double quick time, perfectly cooked, all really, really good. So the girls, there's about 5 or 6 waiters running around sorting everybody out. 'Cause it is busy in there. There's like literally one table left empty in this part we're sat in at the moment. There's another part behind us there, and then there's part all out the front over there. There's like one table left out the front there in the street. So, like I say, really good service. Definitely worth giving it a try, guys. Right, so we've just got the bill, and it comes to 66 euros. So there's 4 of us eating. So it's about 17 quid with drinks, is it? Something like that. Probably not even that, to be fair. So I'll show you the bill in a minute. Let me just... So that's the bill, 66 euros. So there's 4 menus of the day. A sangria, Coke Zero and Sprite, and also a glass of rosé wine. So absolutely fantastic value for money. So can't fault it at all. Definitely worth trying. Right, so lunch. Definitely come down to Mil Palmeras and try Loc Celtas. So it's very good. We're just going to have a wander down to the beachfront now. So I want to get a bit of drone film up around the area. The restaurant itself, though, absolutely packed. And there is an inside seating part as well. So, yeah, come get yourself down here and give it a try, guys. Really worth it. We'll pop a pin down below in the description and show you roughly where it is. It's down a little high streety bit that goes down to the front. So, definitely worth a try, guys.